What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's Friday night. We're headed to the track. We've got Ken Dog, and we're about to pick up Mr. Streetcar Joe, and we've got a surprise for him. So this place is called Pizza Nomad. It's a pizza trailer that travels throughout Amarillo during the week. And look at this. Now, it looks kind of gross, but this is just a pepperoni pizza with their beer cheese. Super good. And then this is a new one that's got, like, I think bell peppers, brisket, barbecue sauce, and I can't remember what else is on it, but we had the pepperoni with beer cheese last time. It was it was ridiculous. Kennedy almost ate the whole box. That's how good it was.
I did.
I cleared a whole box. So we're gonna bring some for Joe, and if Brady comes, because I wanted to have Brady try it. He was supposed to come the other day, but he didn't end up coming. So if Brady's here, we're gonna have Brady try it also. But we'll see you guys over at Mr. Streetcar Joe's house. Also, I forgot another surprise for Joe at the track. One of our buddies at the track that actually works there, he was in Dallas last weekend, and he picked up none other than the Buc-ee's cookies that Joe and I absolutely love. So, Joe and I will be getting some Buc-ee's cookies tonight. Kennedy wastes no time. Really, you couldn't wait for me?
Alright, babe.
Hope you burn your tongue.
I'm hungry. Nomad pizza.
Oh, is he recording this? So you can make sure to get this in the vlog.
Guys, note right here that I'm bringing Joe food.
It's not this one. Okay.
This is the one on the bottom?
Open this one.
So one of them's the one that we've had, the beer cheese, and then this one's different. It's got like brisket. We haven't tried that one.
Are we eating dinner?
You can. We already ate ours, so that's yours.
You already ate yours?
Yeah.
Who ate that whole pizza?
Me.
You can give one to Sarah. Whatever.
Sarah.
I just fed this guy, and he's getting nachos. But you have to try the track nachos everywhere you go. Everywhere. Just have to. So who you got, the red Nova or the black Fox body? Turbo versus nitrous. Twin turbo versus nitrous, actually.
If they let me on the computer.
No, doesn't matter.
I'll take the Mustang.
He's taking the Mustang. Who are you taking? Nope, you already said you're taking the Mustang.
I said the Fox body first.
Right,
earlier.
She's going Fox body.
David wanted to take the other car, so y'all betting against each other?
Yeah.
All right.
$100?
50?
$100.
You want to do 100? You really?
Oh
my gosh, she bet me $100.
Oh, that Fox body.
I'm going with the red Nova nitrous, which I'm not a nitrous guy, but I'm going with the nitrous car only because I saw both make hits, and the red car's been getting down for a while.
I want to see money exchange hands after this race.
Kennedy.
I'll Venmo you.
I want to see it.
He needs to see the transaction. This is my accountant. He has to see the transaction.
My accountant.
Venmo it to me, not him.
Whoa, what? Yeah, make my invoice go down a little bit. So they're about to do a grudge race. Did you figure out what was done to the Nova?
It's a 555 big block on a 300 shot.
And Brennan's car is a twin turbo LS.
Brennan's car
Fun
is a
fact.
6 liter.
Can we give him the fun fact?
No, we can't.
Ah.
It's a 6 liter LS with a twin 67s, I think, on Fuel Tech.
On Fuel Tech. Nitrous or turbo?
Nitrous.
Going nitrous.
Nitrous.
Nitrous, all right.
How much?
I bet Kennedy 100. I said Brody and she said Brennan. Joe's too scared to bet me, so.
How much?
50.
Oh, I was out of bet for 500.
Damn it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that little edit on the grudge race. I just planned on filming some drag racing that night at the track for a little vlog, but I remembered that they had a grudge race going on. They talked about it all week, and I was like, man, I'll put together a little cinematic film. I didn't even bring my Ronin, and so I kind of just did everything handheld, but it turned out pretty decent video in my opinion. But I did have to change the music because I tried to upload the video, and of course YouTube wanted to demonetize it. So if you want to watch the original video with the original music, you can go to my Facebook page, Van Vorst Media, and watch it there. But hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. If you guys want to see more content like that, more drag racing stuff, more grudge racing, a little more cinematic edits, I'll do more of that stuff. I know with me it takes a lot of time to do these little cinematic edits and add music and transitions and color grade it. It takes a little more time, but I don't know. Some people like that stuff and some people don't. Usually my edits like that get horrible views on YouTube, so I usually just do them when they're paid gigs or jobs for Van Vorst Media, but I like to throw some edits here and there. I probably don't spend as much time on them as like a paid gig would, but I do like to throw some in there. So if you guys still like stuff like that, you still enjoy watching that type of video, just comment down below and I'll try and throw some more in here and there when I can, when I have time. But like I said, if you guys want to watch the original video with the original music, you can go on the Facebook page at Van Vorst Media. But yeah, like I said, if you guys want to see more of that, just comment down below. If you just want to see more racing, don't even comment down below, because I know you guys want to see more racing, and hopefully we're going to be doing more of that soon. We've got Denton coming up this week. Joe's got a big race over in Dallas, so we'll be there this Friday and Saturday if you guys want to come out September 6th and 7th. Also, it is Labor Day weekend, so we are doing a code on contagionathletics.com, CA25. Gets you 25% off if you guys are interested in any of the CA clothing wear. But hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. As always, make sure you comment, like, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, Vanmy39. I will see you guys on the next one. What are you barking at? You bark a lot. Why do you bark? Huh? Hey. Why do you bark all the time? That collar, though. Let me see your collar. Can I see your collar? Ooh, Motion Raceworks. Ready to go get some coffee? You want some coffee? Starbucks? Chick-fil-A? It's Sunday. You can't get Chick-fil-A on Sunday. You know that, right? They're closed. And Popeyes is trash. It's really not that good.